Welcome to the fourth part of our time management methodology training, as well about task management strategies, but basically focused on the getting things done methodology that's proposed by David Allen. So we'll focus on that in this course. Time management in general comprises 4 phases. If you already watched the other courses of this series, you know that it all starts with the identification of all the tasks that you have to do, and comprising as well systems or methods to collect the tasks that you have to do systematically, which is really the beginning of all time management strategies, because you have to know in advance what you are going to do, of course, in a project or so. Well, the second phase then is the ordering of these identified tasks based on the relevance. So giving priorities in the right way so that you can distinguish the more relevant and important tasks from the less relevant tasks, or even those tasks that are not actually worth doing, so that you can eliminate before proceeding in your time management strategy. Well, in this course we want to focus on the aspect of scheduling those tasks, so to smartly set time appointments or find time slots where you want to fulfill the task that you've identified and prioritized. And in the fourth phase, in the fourth step, you need a way to keep track of your progress by monitoring your tasks, by monitoring your progress using a proper task management strategy. In another course, in the former course, we focused on rather easy to apply and as well appropriate techniques for teams regarding the task management. So there we took a look at the A4 information system technique, which is based on differently colored folders where you put every information, every fact, and as well every task and project in, as well as your vision or personal goals, so the long-term tasks, if you want to call it like this, and the Kanban technique based on multiple columns that represent the state each task goes through, so going from the first state of being a to-do, getting over to the doing phase, so where you say, okay, this task is in progress, and finally the done state where all those fulfilled and finished tasks will get into this category. So now we want to focus on getting things done, which is the one of the major methodologies, one of the major systems that are taught during all of the time management courses you'll find out there. And this system is really worth to take a look at, because as this is the basis or the foundation for a lot of the other task management techniques that are out there. It's pretty helpful to understand how this system actually works. Although it's pretty complex, you might rather modify this technique for your own purpose and for your own system. Well, in another course, and besides the 4 phases of time management, it's as well necessary to know how to keep up your motivation and how to avoid postponing tasks where it's not necessary. So we'll take a look at, in the last part of this time management course series, at overcoming procrastination.